What does this pool, a bottle of tap water, table salt, and this piece of paper have in common? You guessed it, chlorine. This element has atomic number 17 and is located in the 17th column on the periodic table in the halogen family. Halogens are elements that need another electron to be happy, therefore they will easily bind to a lot of different elements. Chlorine is the second most abundant of all the halogens on the Earth, and therefore can be found in products all around us. But before I tell you about the various uses for chlorine, let's dive back in time to when it was first discovered. The year was 1774 when Swedish pharmacist Carl Wilhelm Scheele exposed pyrolusite to muriatic acid, producing a pale green gas. At the time, this gas was thought to contain oxygen, but it wasn't until 1810 when Sir Humphrey Davy came along and discovered that this gas was actually a unique chemical element, chlorine. It was named chlorine after the Greek word chloros, meaning pale green. Since the mid-1800s, chlorine has been used as a disinfectant. Chlorine is considered an oxidizing agent, which means it has disinfecting and bleaching properties. It introduces oxygen to proteins that are present in living organisms, including bacteria, which causes these proteins to lose their shape and therefore their function. The bacteria and viruses that come in contact with chlorine will therefore die before they can cause any illness in humans. In fact, tap water and swimming pools in the United States are treated with chlorine to disinfect the water without causing significant harm to the human body. Chlorine is also contained in common cleaning products like this, used in homes, and is used as a bleaching agent in paper and textile industries. Although chlorine can be used for good, it has a poisonous and dark history. In 1915, during World War I, chlorine was used as a chemical weapon by the German forces. Chlorine, in its natural gas form, consists in a diatomic state, meaning two chlorine atoms are bonded together to form Cl2. When it reacts with water, as it does when inhaled in the lungs, it forms a strong acid known as hydrochloric acid, which causes pulmonary edema, a buildup of fluid in the lungs that can lead to death. Chlorine is also denser than air, so as it moved across the battlefields, it would pour down into the trenches, wreaking havoc on the soldiers. But human contact with chlorine isn't always harmful. In fact, if two atoms of chlorine are separated to form Cl-, also known as the chloride ion, it is perfectly safe to consume. Due to its reactive nature as a halogen, it will easily react with metals including sodium, forming sodium chloride, what we know as table salt. Chlorine can be used for cleaning, bleaching, eating, and many more uses. It's no wonder why billions of tons of chlorine are produced each year.